Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with a new coding question which is array based, and this question is asked in many of the interviews like Deloitte and many more. I recently faced this question in Deloitte exam, national level exam. Okay, this is very simple program. Now let us see it. Okay, write a program that takes an array of integers as input and returns the sum of elements at index 0 and index 1. If the array has fewer than 2 elements, return -1 to indicate insufficient data. Okay, I hope you got it. Here you will get an array and you have to return the sum of first two index elements, that is 15. Okay, now let us see the solution for it in Java. Okay, let us see the code for it to return the sum of first two indexes in the array. Okay, now let us import the scanner class because we need to take input from the user. Okay, public class main, it is a main class. Okay, public static void main string args, here where the program begins at, and this is the scanner which is helpful to take the input from the user. Okay, now system.out.println, you are going to ask enter the size of an array. Okay, you need the size of the array, right? Then you are storing the size of an array in n. Okay, now you are initializing an array in order to store the array of elements. Now enter the elements of the array. Now you are running a for loop with the for loop till the end of the array, and you are storing the elements in the array of I. Okay, and I plus plus. Okay, now what you are doing, you are storing the result in the variable called result by calling a function called sum of first two elements. Okay, for that function you are passing the input array. Now you are calling this function. Where is the function? I have written the function over here, sum of first two elements. Okay, now what it is doing, if the array length is less than 2, it is returning -1, nor it is adding up array of 0 plus array of 1, and it is returning where? It is returning to the result. Now the result is stored in result. Now you are going to print the result. It is very simple. First you have to take the input from the user, that what is the size of the array, and then you are initializing an array and you are storing the elements in the array, and then you are calling a function which adds up the first two elements of the array. Now it is called, for this input is an array. Now if the length is less than 2, it is returning -1. If it is length is greater than 2, it is returning array of 0 plus array of 1, right? Now you are going to sys out the result. Now let us run the function. Now let us run the program whether it is working well or not. Yes, it is run successfully. Now let us give the size of array is 3 and it is greater than 2, so it doesn't give -1, and enter the elements. Let us see, suppose 2, 3, 4. Your result should be 5 because array of 0 plus array of 1 is 5, right? 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, this is the thing with this question. It is very easy question and it is asked in many of the interviews. Okay, and the online on campus based exams also it is asked in Deloitte, which I was faced recently in November 2024. Practice well these type of questions. These are very simple and very easy to practice. Okay, thank you. If you find this video as informative, please hit a like and share the video. If you're already a subscriber, hit a like. Thank you.